how to accept money on Cash App. Now, the first thing that you need to do is verify your account. So click on the profile icon in the top right and just verify your identity. If you have successfully verified your identity, you will also need to link a debit card or your bank account. Go to linked banks here, and then you can choose the option to link a debit card. So you will need to fill out your debit card number, expiration date, CVV, and your zip code depending on where you live. Once you have done this, if we go back, then here at the bottom, you will see a little clock icon. Once we click on it, you can track all of your money that has gone, all of the money that has gone into your Cash App account. So you don't have to manually accept anything. It's just going to do it automatically for you as long as you have verified your account and as long as you have connected your linked bank, or if you have linked your bank or connected your debit card. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.